Hello everyone, my name is Zidan Pratamayuda and you can call me Zidan. Now in this video, I will explain and describe how to make Blinglet. The function of a Blinglet program with ESP32 is demonstrate how to control an output pin by turning an LED on and off repeatedly. The simple program helps beginners understand how to the digital write, pin mode, and delay function, which are fundamental in ESP32 programming. To create a Blinglet project with ESP32, start by connecting uh, ESP32 to breadboard and by connecting and let uh, another connecting to one of the ESP32 pins digital, typically pin 23, and cathode you must connecting to pin GND, which is connected to an onboard LED. Then in the Arduino IDE, write a simple sketch, then turn the LED on and off repeatedly. Okay, now you can open the application Arduino IDE. You can new sketch or control N. The code begins with the setup function where you set the pin mode, pin mode 23, comma, output, semicolon. In function, in the loop function, use digital write 23, comma, height, semicolon. Digital write 23, comma, height to turn the load to turn the LED or LED on, followed by a delay 1000, semicolon. Delay 1000 to keep it on for 1 second. Now, then use digital write. Oh, sorry, digital write 23, comma, low to turn it off, semicolon, followed by another delay 1000, semicolon. Before you upload uh, your sketch, you must connecting the USB Type C to your ESP32, and you connect USB to uh, for your PC. Now, ESP32 turn on. Then you can upload the code to ESP32 via USB. Your sketch uh, compiling, you can waiting it waiting until uploading. Now you start uploading um, Okay, and uploading success. Now let will start blinking at 1 second interval. Okay, you success to make blink LED. Thank you for attention and see you.